Assalomu alaykum hurmatli o'quvchilar. Keling, biz sizlar bilan bugun taom tayyorlaymiz. We're going to cook together. Bizning birinchi taomimiz osh. Some people call it pulao or plov in Russia. Tayyorlash jarayoni. Assalomu alaykum hurmatli o'quvchilar. Bugun biz sizlar bilan osh qilamiz, osh pishiramiz. Pishirmoq means to cook. Qilamiz means to make. Men piyoz va tovuqni birga qovuryapman. Tovuq, piyoz. Men zira qo'shdim. Zira. Bu zira O'zbekistondan. Qovurmoq means to fry. Qovurmoq means to fry. Yaxshilab qovuramiz. We have to fry it well. Mana keling, endi biz sizlar bilan so'zlarni qaytaramiz. Tayyorlamoq. From the video, feel free to go back, listen and try to practice the words. Okay? Tayyorlamoq. Tayyorlamoq means to prepare. Usually here, because I'm cooking, I can say to cook. Okay? Qovurmoq. Qovurmoq means to fry. Zira, cumin. Tovuq. Usually we say tovuq go'shti. It means chicken meat, right? Yog means oil. Okay. Tuz, salt. And piyoz means onion. So basically, you saw the process. You can go back, listen, and practice these words within the context. How I fried onion and chicken, everything together. The next step. Bu tovuq means chicken. Onions, piyoz. Yog means oil. Cumin means zira. Qovurmoq means to fry. Bu sabzi. Kesilgan sabzi. Bu chesnok. Sarimsoq. Garlic. Biz sabzini to'g'raymiz yoki kesamiz. It's the same thing, cut. Okay? Kesilgan, it means something that already was cut. Juda ham yaxshi. Keling biz sizlar bilan yana bir bor so'zlarni qaytaramiz. Sabzi, carrot. Sarimsoq, garlic. Kesmoq or to'g'ramoq means to cut. Usually we refer to knife, okay? But if you want to, for example, cut with scissors, it would be qirqmoq. Kesilgan, here, to be cut, indefinite past, for example, is or was cut by someone, right? It's a passive, but also kesilgan could be referred to the past tense as well. Cut off means kesilgan. Bo'lak. Usually cut off we could refer to bo'lak, like if you, for example, have bread, right? Or kesilgan bo'lak, yoki bo'lmasam kesilgan parcha, kesilgan parcha yoki biz sizlar bilan kesilgan go'sht deyishimiz mumkin. It means about to refer to meat, right? Okay. Also, cut off means in a different way. It means eng qisqa yo'l. Okay. Yo'l means road. Just in case for you. Although I didn't use corn, I wanted to tell that corn is makka jihora. Makka jihora. Okay. Juda osh, juda ham to'yimli ovqat. For example, if you wanted to say osh, juda ham to'yimli ovqat. So that means usually when you eat plov or osh, you feel full. Next step. Hozir men to'g'rilgan yoki kesilgan sabzini qovuryapman. Qovurmoq means to fry, remember? Men kesilgan sabzini qo'shdim. Men sabzini qo'shdim. Kesilgan sabzini. I added the carrot that I cut. Va men hamma mahsulotlarimni birga qovuryapman. I'm frying all ingredients together. Okay, let's practice. Keling qaytaramiz. Qo'shmoq. Qo'shmoq means to add, okay? If you want to add something like water or carrots. Men qo'shdim. Men qo'shdim here. Remember we talked about past tense. Men qo'shdim. I added. Or you can say men qovuryapman. It means in the present tense. Right now I'm doing it. I'm frying right now. Birga means together. When you are adding things together. Birga qo'shdim. Mahsulotlar. Mahsulotlar means products. I add all products together. Qaynatmoq. Remember, qaynatmoq means to boil. Biz hozir sizlar bilan barcha mahsulotlarimizni qaynatyapmiz. Let's practice. Qaynatmoq. Qaynatmoq means to boil. Hozir biz sizlar bilan barcha mahsulotlarni qaynatyapmiz. You heard this sentence, right? Hozir means now. Hozir means now. Biz sizlar bilan barcha mahsulotlarni qaynatyapmiz. Because it's happening right now. We're using biz. It will be present tense for we are frying, right? Right now, we are frying all products together, right? By now, we know all the words. That's why I didn't translate. Okay. Bu sarimsoq. Sarimsoq. Biz hozir ikkita sarimsoqni qo'shdik. Sarimsoq means also chestnut. Garlic. We added. Qo'shmoq means to add. And sarimsoq means garlic. Some people add, some people do not. Lekin juda mazali. You can take it out if somebody doesn't like garlic. You just boil and it gives flavor. Mazali taom bo'ladi. Chesnok yoki sarimsoq juda foydali. Agarda siz sarimsoq yeyishni yoqtirmasangiz, uni qo'shmasligingiz mumkin yoki qo'shishingiz mumkin yoqtirsangiz. Siz sarimsoqni pishgandan keyin olib qo'yishingiz ham mumkin. You can take when everything is cooked and you can take out the garlic. Keling qaytaramiz. Keling qaytaramiz. Sarimsoq. Sarimsoq juda ham mazali. Sarimsoq means garlic, right? By now you know. Mazali means yummy, delicious. Okay? Foydali. And of course, some of you may not like it and it's very healthy. Okay? Foydali means useful. But in this case here, we're talking about something that is important for your health. Okay? Foyda. I just want to give you some words so you know. Foyda means benefit. But if you're talking about profit, it will be daromad. Daromad. Foyda bermoq means to benefit. Foyda bermoq. Sarimsoq juda ham foydali. Here I mean that garlic is healthy. Yoqtirmoq. I use the word yoqtirmoq. Yoqtirmoq means to like something. And I said agar yoqtirsangiz yoki yoqtirmasangiz. Yoqtirmoq is our main verb right here. And I used here yoqtirsangiz if you like it. Okay? That's how we conjugate it. So let me just maybe change the color. And then if I say yoqtirmasangiz, you don't. The word don't here is ma. Okay? Actually, let's do with red, then you will feel. So again, yoqtir is our main verb here. And then ma means negative, and then sangiz, sis, because we're referring to you, if you like it or you don't like it. Mana biz yuvilgan guruchni qozonimizga qo'shdik. Qo'shmoq means to add again. Guruch means rice. Va guruchimiz qaynaganidan keyin you will add some water if you need to. Ko'p suv qo'shmang. Don't add more water. It should be around this. It should cover your rice. Va guruchimiz qaynaganidan so'ng biz oshimizni damlaymiz. Once the water is boiled, we will try to steam our rice. Yuvmoq. Yuvmoq means to wash. Guruch, rice. Yuvilgan guruch. Yuvilgan guruch. Washed rice. Suv, water here. Qaynagan suv. Usually we add qaynagan suv. It means boiled water. You see here, right? Gan again. Gan. Yuvilgan, qaynagan. Damlamoq. Damlamoq means to steam. Here meaning cook by heating it in steam from boiling water, or cook by being heated in steam from boiling water. Okay? So now you know that damlamoq also you can say about the tea. Men choy damladim yoki men choy damlayapman. Thank you so much. Biz sizlar bilan keyingi darsda yana so'zlarni qaytaramiz. Xayr.